executive recklessness and impunity. What we have seen here today is the judgment of this honorable court confirming the judgment of Justice Omotosho, the judgment of Justice Lifu, and also the judgment of Malik of Federal High Court, Justice Malik of Federal High Court. It has come to show us that all the political caricature in Rivers State must come to an end by this judicial decision. It has come to confirm that the only valid member of the House of Assembly are the 27 members under the leadership of Martin Amaewhule. It has also come to confirm today that there has been no government in Rivers State all this while, because the three arms of government must work together effectively. For the past 1.5 years, the Rivers State House of Assembly, which is an arm of the government, have been set aside. The implications are real. All the appointments confirmed by the House of Assembly, all the laws passed, all the budget passed are invalid. That's the essence of this election. And also on the election that was conducted for the Rivers State local government election, the Supreme Court has set it aside. What we are talking here is about compliance with constitutional provision. We commend the courage of the court to stand up to the injustice, to all the illegalities, all the recklessness going on in Rivers State. Today it has come to an end. My advice to the government of Rivers State is to obey this judgment. It should self-enforce it. He does not need anybody to tell him that he has been living on borrowed time of illegality. It is now time for the people of Rivers State to come together to enjoy the benefit of democracy. The area of excluding people from participation in government in Rivers State has come to an end today. And all we need to do is that we need more courage. We need to encourage democracy, not only in Rivers State, but in the whole country. Thank you very much.
We are expecting a few more rulings on some
other cases pending. We need to be subjected to this ruling. Everything on whether there was a defection or not has been covered by this judgment. The court has said today that there was no defection. Defection has not been proved. All this idea of shouting, here we differentiate between fiction and facts. The facts and the law have been presented today, and I ask that Fubara should obey. We should not wait for anybody to enforce it.
Can you clarify?
Of course, it will pay to the appellant. We are entitled to the 5 million, and I'm sure they will send the check to you.